Hi, a lot of you must be curious that how Aniket earned 5 lakhs because we have been writing blogs for a certain amount of time, but we did not get the opportunity where we can earn. In this video, I will share with you one simple link. That simple link that changed my entire blogging journey, in which I even got a remote job, and that also helped me earn around 5 lakh rupees. And as a student, that was a huge amount for me. So I will be sharing how you can start earning with this simple link, and I will be telling you the entire process. And if you don't know how you can start earning while writing blogs, do refer to the previous video. The link will be in the description. So now, if you started writing blogs, if you have written around 5 to 7 blogs, you are good to go. So what you need to do, you need to click the link in the description, head over to that, and you need to see what company suits you the best. For example, DigitalOcean pays you around 20 to 25,000 per blog that you write. And I am not kidding, bro. Let me repeat it again. DigitalOcean pays you around 25,000 per blog that gets accepted, and that's a huge amount of money. Because if you compare that with Indian news agencies, if you write a technical article for them, they are generally paying you around 500 to 1000 rupees. But these guys are paying more than 20x of that. So what you need to do, go to the particular link, click there, select the company that you want to work with, and then you just simply apply. All the best and bye bye.